GrabPay has quietly become one of the most efficient payment methods for food delivery, especially for users who want speed, control, and consistent savings. When connected to food delivery apps, GrabPay removes friction from the entire ordering process. Payments are instant, checkout is seamless, and there is no need to re-enter card details every time an order is placed. One of the strongest advantages of using GrabPay for food delivery is cost efficiency. Regular promotions often provide discounts ranging from $3 to $15 per order, with special campaigns offering cashback credits that accumulate directly in the wallet. Over a month of frequent food orders, these savings can easily reach $40 to $80 without changing eating habits. GrabPay exclusive deals are often better than standard card discounts, making it a preferred option for frequent users. Security is another major benefit. GrabPay operates as a closed wallet system, meaning sensitive banking details are not repeatedly exposed to merchants. Funds are preloaded or linked securely, reducing the risk of failed transactions or unauthorized charges. For food delivery, this reliability matters, especially during peak hours when card payments may fail or delay orders. GrabPay also offers better spending control. Users can set wallet limits, track every food-related expense in one place, and avoid accidental overspending. A typical food delivery budget of $150 to $300 per month becomes easier to manage when every transaction is clearly logged and categorized. Speed completes the advantage. Orders paid with GrabPay are processed instantly, reducing confirmation delays and improving delivery prioritization. For busy schedules, late-night orders, or office meals, this speed directly improves the overall experience. For anyone ordering food delivery multiple times a week, GrabPay delivers consistent savings, stronger security, faster checkout, and better financial control without added complexity.